Welcome back, everyone! Today, we're diving into the world of manufacturing and exploring the silent revolution that's changing the game. We are Super Roll Forming leading manufacturers in rolling shutter machine. Our roll forming machines have been around, but what's catching everyone's attention is their commitment to the environment. Our machines are not just shaping metal, they're shaping a greener future with no noise, no smoke, and no compromises. So how do our machines pull off this eco-friendly feat? The magic is in their precision. Our roll-forming machines are designed to operate smoothly, creating minimal waste and maximum efficiency. Imagine a manufacturing process without the deafening noise. Our roll-forming machines make that a reality. Our machines operate silently, creating a serene working environment for everyone involved. It's a win for productivity and a win for peace of mind. As we end up here, it's clear that our roll-forming machines are not just machines. They're champions of sustainability. Industries embracing this technology are not only enhancing efficiency, but also making a positive impact on the planet. It's an exciting journey towards a cleaner and greener future. If you found this video informative, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and let us know your thoughts in the comments below. And of course, don't forget to subscribe for more exciting content. Stay green, stay innovative.